Hi again, everybody. It is Monday morning, March 27th, 2023. Let's take a look at the Astro Excel chart for the week. Sunday evening session opened up and we're a little bit higher so far this morning, right around 40.31 right now. We've got a downtrend pattern on the green line that's going to bottom out at about 12:15, 12:30 today. Then we've got some pretty strong upward pressure into the 28th where it flattens out early AM between 3 and 5 a.m. It flattens out here. We're trading up above the zero line, but flat. We start to move down at 8 p.m. on the 28th. Green line bottoms out at 7:45 on the 29th, Wednesday morning. Goes sideways right on the zero line till it starts to move up around 18:30 in the evening of the 29th. Upward movement there till we peak here at I'm going to call it 3 a.m. on the 30th, and then we're a little bit down and then back up. We get a quick move up on the green line. It converges with the blue line, and somewhere it's going to peak out on the 30th late in the afternoon, and then as we get to the end of the day session around 15:30 to 16:15, then both lines turn down. You can see the blue line is down hard right there, and then the green line's down into early Friday where it bottoms at between 6:30 and 7 a.m. and then we've got some upward pressure throughout the day on Friday. The big blue line spikes on the week are here on the 28th. Tomorrow, 9:05, we've got a big spike. We've got a big spike just before midnight tomorrow night. And then we've got some inside spikes between the 10 lines. We got a little downward spike here on the 30th at about 3 a.m. and then we've got this flat top which really goes from 10 o'clock 10 a.m. on the 30th all the way till the close. So throughout the day there the blue line is just chopping sideways, and then the last important spike of the week on the blue line would be a 23:30 on the 30th or 11:30 p.m. on the 30th. So that's the Astro Excel trend forecast for the week. Be back again tomorrow with another video and see you guys then.